my wonderful champions. I hope my dearest children are doing absolutely great. So listen to me out carefully. This video is going to be super important because there's an important update which says that COMEDK has released the admission card, or what do you call as test admission ticket, or TAT. And I'll tell you how you can download it very easily. And make sure you go through everything that is given in your admit card as well. Yeah? So first of all, Baba, you would have to go to COMEDK's official website, which looks like this, and you see something over here, and that is login. Once you click on login, what is going to happen? Let's see. Once you click on login, you would have to fill in your application number, or basically the user ID, also the password, and then you have to fill in the captcha and then just click on login. So I have a screenshot of all this thing, and so this is how it is going to be. Once you have filled in the application number, password, and also the captcha, you can just click on login. And once you have done that, certain things are going to be opening up, as actually a whole page is going to open up with all your details in the bottom, and at the top you will be able to see applicant details, test admission ticket, or for both, or payment slip, and also mock test. So Baba, over here you have to go with test admission ticket. That is what you have to click on. Now once you click on test admission ticket, something like this would be coming up, where the place where your examination is going to happen, that is your exam center. Also the timing will be mentioned. So for example, some of you might get morning time, some of you might get your afternoon shift, some of you might even get the evening shift out there, right? And then what you have to do is you have to click on this particular thing which says that you want to download the test admission ticket. Now how does that particular thing look? If at all you ask me that question, I can show you that as well. So this is how your test admission ticket is going to look. Make sure you go through all the details which are there given over here. So there are some private information, which is why I have hidden it. If at all you move down, okay, do not do any signature and put your photos now itself. Please make sure you read through the instructions which are given over here in the admit card. By that you will get to have an understanding that you should not be doing anything unnecessary, and what are things that you should be carrying, and a lot of other informations are also there. We'll be making a separate video on that, because I think if I talk about all about it together, it would be confusing for you. And why is this acting like this? Anyways, so Baba, over here, thing that you have to notice, examination hall reporting time is being mentioned, the duration has also been mentioned. So for example, this child got the afternoon shift where he has to go from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. That is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. is his examination, and for that he has to report at 12:30 p.m. Similarly, Baba, you are also going to get similar kind of information in the admission ticket or the admit card that you have in your hand. So make sure you go through it, make sure you're ready, you read through all the instructions which are given, make sure you know your test centers, check the distance from the test center from your home. This is all very important so that you do not become late on the day of examination, and you can avoid the last minute panic as well. By the way, do you think that this information was useful for you? And do you think that you would need more informations like this? If you think so, then make sure you hit on the subscribe button right now. Yes, and for everyone who is preparing for COMEDK, I hope you're well aware about COMEDK 10. It's a 10-day crash course. It's a 10-day crash course. That means it is going to be super important. The last lap of your preparation is going to be with them. Soumik sir, Grishma ma'am, and also Jyoti ma'am. They teach physics, chemistry as well as mathematics. And over here, there will be live classes, Baba. And there are extra questions given in the form of DPP. There will be 5 full-length mock tests also. And top 100 most expected MCQs are also going to be covered over here. There will be a separate lecture on that. So do not miss out on this particular crash course. Take it up. The price for this is rupees 1499. Yes, I hope it was helpful. Make sure you talk to children who have enrolled into it if at all you want to have a better clarity, because I am pretty sure it's definitely going to be of high use for you guys. Yes, and there is a test series as well, which is COMEDK test series, which is having 12 full-length COMEDK mock tests. Along with that, test PDFs will also be provided for you. The pricing for that is rupees 999. Yeah. Personally, I'll recommend you to take the crash course. Why? Because if someone is there to guide you in live and to tell you that these are the very important PYQs and basically is making you solve that, I think that's better, right? And here the lives are being taken for the most important PYQs of each chapter. And now when the syllabus is vast, when the questions are too much, we do not know what we have to focus more on. And if there is someone to guide, obviously it is going to be helpful, right? So that is the reason I told, but again, it's your choice. You have to take a decision, and as the classes have started from 27th of April, few days has been done, so you have to make sure that you need to cover those classes as well. The recorded sessions are available. You can watch it in 2x speed if at all needed. Yeah, so that's all. Wishing you the best, and check out the link for the description of all those things that I told. And if you need any help regarding COMEDK also, let us know in the comment section. Wishing you the best. Please take care of yourselves. Bye bye.